Welcome to another episode of Marketing School. I'm Eric Su.
And I'm Neil Patel.
And today we're going to give you 7 productivity hacks for marketers. I'll go with number 1. Number 1, build checklists. Checklists are really easy for your team and yourself to follow. Once you start to do something, you do something more than 2 or 3 times, make a checklist for it, make it easy to follow. Here's an example. We have a blogging checklist for people that write for our blog. Let's say, for example, people need to write, the requirement is they write at least 1,500 or 2,000 words or so, and they at least keyword research one main keyword. There's one image, there's one subheading, bullets, and all that kind of stuff. You get the point. There's a criteria that we look for when people are writing for our site, and we want to standardize it. You can do that using checklists. It's easy for people to follow, and it's easy to deploy.
Number 2, use if, then, this, that. So as a marketer, you probably have things like, oh, you publish a blog post, now you got to push it out on Twitter, social media, you want to send out an email blast. If, then, this, that, you can use it to connect. So it's like when you publish a blog post, it gets pushed out to Twitter, it gets pushed out to Facebook. A lot of these social sharing tools, yes, will use RSS feeds. And the beautiful part about this is you can automatically send out emails every time you publish a blog post. So by doing that, as a marketer, you will save so much time, because I used to do a lot of stuff manually and it would take me 30 minutes every time I publish a blog post. It was a pain in the butt.
Number 3, make sure that you use dashboards. So you can go all the way up to enterprise. You can use Domo, or you can use something very simple. You can use something like Scythe. Scythe is $20 a month, and you can track all your ad campaigns that you have going on Facebook, AdWords. You can look at your analytics. You can look at your QuickBooks, for example, and you can make different dashboards for different initiatives that you have going on.
Number 4, as a marketer, you're going to try to do one too many marketing tactics at once. Stick with one at a time. I'm not just talking about like, oh, I'm going to do SEO today, and then tomorrow I'm going to do pay-per-click, and then the next day I'm going to do something else. Focus just on SEO, or just focus on paid advertising, or just focus on content marketing. Pick one thing, do it for a while, get really good at it, be efficient at it, see the results within your website or the business or the company you work for. Once you see results and then you're like, all right, the SEO is going pretty good now, it's pretty much self-maintaining, then you can expand into other things like paid advertising. You can do more social media marketing or whatever. But if you do one at a time, you'll do extremely well in just that form of marketing versus trying to do too many different marketing tactics at once. You won't do them well, it'll take forever, and you're not going to get great results.
Number 5, use BuzzSumo alerts. The reason I use BuzzSumo is because the alerts are so awesome. I can see how many new links Neil's getting to his site. I can get a report, I think, every single day. I can see new keywords that he's ranking for. I can look at competitors as well. I can look at myself. How many keywords do I have going up, moving into top 3, dropping out? I can get a lot of data that is very actionable, and that's why I like BuzzSumo alerts.
Yeah, number 6, use Un-enroll Me. As a marketer, you're going to do a lot of your work through email. We all do, whether you like it or you hate it. Yes, there's Slack, there's Skype, but you still do a ton of your work through email. You're going to find that you're going to be inundated with emails that you never subscribed to, that you never cared for, and it's a pain in the butt to keep unsubscribing to all of them. Use Un-enroll Me. You can unsubscribe to a lot of them very fast, takes up less of your time, and that way you're much more productive throughout the day.
Number 7, last but not least, use Supermetrics. Supermetrics has a trial. Yes, it is a little more expensive, but those of you that are a little further along, Supermetrics reports are a lot more in-depth than anything I've seen. You connect it with analytics, for example. It shows me with columns 2015, 16, 17, 18, how my traffic has been growing, how it trends over time, and the graphs make a lot of sense, and it's really easy to digest, and it's something that you can show your stakeholders, for example, your partners or other executives, for example. Supermetrics, especially if you run a client services business, it can make you look professional, and it can take you to the next level. And that's number 7. So with that being said, goodbye. Go to singlegrain.com/giveaway to check out our marketing goodies to grow your business, and we'll see you tomorrow.